Does your washer take a long time to fill up because the water lines in the back keep filling up with junk? My home has iron pipe for a lot of it, and it fills up the system. So I actually put in one of these filters right here. This is for protecting like pumps and pressure washers, stuff like that. But it's made a huge difference. This one's been in place for several months, and you can see I need to clean it, but it's still flowing fine. And I'm going to put one on the cold water line too because it's necessary. So what you need is one of these filters like this. I'll put a link somewhere, and you know how to do that. And then an adapter so that it can go to the garden hose style fitting. So when I clean these, I like to get a spray bottle and kind of spray it in there to wash out any of the sand and rust that builds up and blocks it off. Then I'll grab a brush of some kind, toothbrush, and just kind of clean that a little bit. And then one more shot with this. Try not to get it anywhere but there. And then I can put the hose back on there, and then hopefully it's going to be the last time I have to do with this cleaning here, because I'm going to put this new connection, this one right here. I've put some thread tape on there. Got some thread tape on there. It's got this adapter connected. That's going to go right here, and then all of the sediment's going to get caught in this filter in the future. Man, cobwebs, gross. Okay, don't judge me. I did not do a before video, but this is full flow after the filter is installed. I checked for leaks. Everything's in place. It's not the cheapest. It's, I think, like $30 to do that, but man, it is a nice fix. So check the links if that's something that would help your house out. If you have sediment in your water, you know what I'm talking about.